Hello, everybody, and welcome. Patrick here, and we are in Frankenmuth, Michigan at Zehnders Splash Village. Behind me, yeah. So we're going to go check out our room. We have a Dragonfly Parlor Suite, I believe. And then after the room tour, show you around a little bit of the property here. And then we're going to have a separate video as well where we detail and show you the water park. So join us for a little room action. So we're starting out in the back here. We drove around to park back by entrance B, or East Tower entrance B right there. So we're going to go in this way to access our room. All right, we're going to walk in and check out our room, which is 201. And as soon as you come in the door, there are luggage carts, bell carts, if you will, available for your use if needed. We got stairs to the right. And these double doors with elevators straight ahead. Looks like we also have vending here right to the side of the entrance. And then the elevator. The elevator, kind of fancy. We got the nice fancy Zehnders Splash Village rug on there. Some pastries. Looks like there's the Zehnders restaurant. And we have their golf course, the Fortress. How about that? All right, we're going up to level 2. School space age looking ceiling on the elevator there. Just like that, we're on the second floor. And again, vending and ice right off of the elevator here, very nicely appointed. And we are in room 201. 201. Okay, here we are, Parlor Suite 201. All right, let's go ahead and take a look. Whoops. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Okay, got some lights on. So these are newly renovated suites here. Look at that microwave. Nice vintage microwave. Look at the backsplash on there, looking all poppin'. Nice sink. All right, got some nice counters on there. Right here. Turn this around. Looks like we have a nice little seating area for 4. Ice bucket and glasses on the far end. Right here we have our trash can. Nice little seating area right here next to it for 2. We're going to keep panning over. Right up here we have our TV. Decent size. Looks to be at least, that's got to be close to a 50-inch. We have our pull-out couch. Overview of the water park there. Panning all the way around. We have our bathroom over here and bedroom. Let's go ahead and check out the bedroom here. Look at that. Looks like 2 queen beds. Nicely appointed in here. Again, nicely renovated rooms. And man, do they seem like it. Smelling all fresh. Looking all snazzy and nice. Loving this. Again, a nice view out to the outdoor water park here. And look at this. We have a balcony. We'll go out on that in a minute. Let's go check out the restroom. Temperature control up on the wall. And we have a nice sized TV right here in the bedroom as well, with ample storage. Nice storage cube here as well. And then we do have a closing and locking door for some privacy if need be. Now on to that bathroom here. Just go out of the bedroom, take a right. Oh wow, this is looking nice. Okay, let's look at this mirror. Backlit mirror right here. Have like kind of a nice tile mosaic going around that. And got the nice stone counter there. Cut in sink. Nicely tiled floor. Kind of like that the toilet's out like that, not in a separate room. Kind of gives it more space. Oh, over here. What's up? We've got another mirror. Another sink. Another area to get ready. That's awesome. Definitely be helpful. And then we have a nice big walk-in shower. Let's go ahead and get right in here. Look at this puppy. Got that tile mosaic again up top. And we have some Zehnders Splash Village branded body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Okay. Oh, there is a second shower head in here. Right here. Look at that. Oh, this is going to be one nice shower. So we have a shower head there, and a shower head over there, and a shower head over there. Look at that. So right here, this is a shower stall spin. Plenty of room in here for a couple of people. I mean, this is a nice big shower. I'm gonna probably turn on both of these shower heads and just have myself a car wash. Gonna have myself a day. This is a nice shower. I like this. Nice bathroom, nicely appointed though. Yeah, plenty of towels hanging up there. And then we also have our lotion soap bar, and it looks like a makeup remover. Little plug action for shavers and whatnot. Electric toothbrushes, they got it all. Nice setup in here. Right outside of the bathroom, we're going to have a safe with some extra linens. We're going to have a ironing board, a rack for our luggage, and then those hangers. Look at this back in the kitchen. I didn't even see this. Look at that. That is cool. Man, that's got some retro vibes on there. We got a working freezer and a nice working refrigerator. Look at that. All right. Let's see what's in here. Just more storage, it looks like. Lots of storage space in here. Man. Yeah, that microwave. Let's check that out. Nice and clean, too. That's the thing. This room is very, very clean. And we do have our coffee maker, 4 coffee cups, and it looks like 5 pods. How about that? Stepped out onto the balcony, and is this puppy large or what? Large and in charge. We have a total of 4 chairs out here. This is a nice big balcony. This is still our room right here, this nice window. And then see, we can overlook kind of like an outdoor section where we have an outdoor pool which is open. Have a lifeguard right there. And then we have our indoor water park right across the way. So how about that? Looks like we've got some table tennis and stuff down here. I'm gonna have to go check out that pool, see how that feels, see what the temperature is. But yeah, nice large balcony out here. Really, really nice and comfortable. This is a nice view. Nice and relaxing in the shade. We have this nice overhang. On the roof here. So I feel like year round this is going to give you like nice shade. Throughout the day rather, this is going to give you nice shade. Shouldn't really be in the sun too much. Nice and comfortable out here for sure. Sounds like they have some tunes pumping in down there as well, but this is pretty nice. I'm digging this. Look at this. So this window here actually opens up like the whole way. This would be awesome for like summertime, getting a nice breeze in here, getting kind of like the ambiance from the outside coming inside, hearing a little bit of the tunes, people splashing around and stuff. That's pretty cool. Just close it right up too. All right. It's nice because not everywhere has like a window that will open, let alone all the way like that. It's pretty awesome. So at 7 o'clock every day, which it's a little after 7 as you can see, they have a feature film that they show in the lobby. Let's take a peek and see if we can see what's going on here. Looks like it just started. As you can see, there's our sitting area. Nobody has shown up quite yet, but that's pretty cool. Water park behind us, and there's the front entrance. Okay, folks, down yonder, this hallway here, we have another pool, the tower pool, indoor pool. Now, unlike the water park pool and whatnot, this closes a little bit later. I believe it's 10 o'clock. So tonight, which is a Sunday, the water park pool closes at 8, but this one closes at 9. So it allows for a little extra aqua time. And look at this. It looks pretty decent for a little extra auxiliary pool, as it were. We got some color changing lights in there, if you all can see that. Looks like 2 different pools of different depths. And then we have a hot tub right there in the middle of your screen. Again, we got some really nice tile work, some nice mosaic. Very nice refresh here. This swimming pool should be enjoyable for years to come, I'd say. Gonna actually get in there after we eat some pizza. Try it out. Okay, here we're looking at a map of the hotel. If you want to go ahead and pause that to check everything out at your convenience. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. Gotta tell you, had some amazing sleeps on these beds. Even the pull-out couch, I was told, was extremely comfortable. Now, the beds are kind of pretty standard, but the specialness is these pillows. These are just like, they're the perfect fluffy yet firm bundles of joy. Awesome. Let me go ahead and show you the outlet situation in this room and some extra lighting as well. So right over here on the side of each bed, you're going to have, we have an outlet, and then we have 2 USBs, so 2 regular 110s and then 2 USBs, and then we have this light. It turns on that guy, which is absolutely ridiculously bright. It's really bright, especially when you have all 3 of them going. I mean, it really throws out quite a bunch of light. But again, slept really comfortably in here. Wonderfully appointed hotel room, hotel suite. Definitely best day of the year so far. People, after a wonderfully restful night, I'm going to leave you in the same place that we started. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Make sure to check out Zehnders if you're in Frankenmuth. It's a great time. Splash Village situations. Thank you, everybody. Keep your nose clean until we see you again. Bye-bye.